Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a little quick video. It's a 5-year update on our patient Daniel. Daniel came in on a snowy day back in February, a long time ago, and he looked like this. So you didn't remember, he didn't have much hair.
He didn't, yeah, I did not remember that he didn't have like no hair in there.
Because we've seen him a bunch of times, and you kind of forget what people originally look like. Same's true with hair transplants, facelifts, nose jobs, everything else. People forget what they look like, and we forget what they look like. So here's Daniel when we got a hold of him, and then we did this little case on him, and he's got nice curly hair.
Yeah, that helps a lot.
He did not do a great job cleaning, but he grew in. Here he is at 13 months, and he was happy. And then we saw him a few times, maybe a couple times a year, and then he popped in last week, and Wendy was on another one of her many vacations to get a tan, and Daniel gave me this brief interview, so take a look. Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. I'm here with Daniel, on whom I did a hair transplant 4 or 5 years ago on another cold February morning like today. And I think it snowed that morning, and Daniel came from somewhere over the eastern shore. Where?
Fairfax, yeah.
Oh, you and your dad were worried that we weren't going to be open, and we did a small case on you. And I think maybe you're losing a little more hair, so we'll talk about that. But how was the procedure?
It was great. I didn't feel any pain. It was one day and totally painless and effortless.
Was that pretty upfront with you?
Yeah.
Didn't lie to you about it?
Very honest, yeah.
Okay. And I guess it was probably fully grown in somewhere around a year and a quarter, something like that. Did your friends notice, or it was just something you did for you?
It was something I did for me, and I got a lot of compliments on it, and people still can't even tell.
Okay, and anything you think the viewing public should know?
Dr. Lindsey's the best. He's very honest and upfront. You'll definitely get that from him. No gimmicks. Just one day and no pain and full head of hair.
I'm not sure it's quite that easy, but thank you for your comments.
Yeah.
Thanks, Daniel. So what do you think, Wendy? You missed out on Daniel.
I did miss out on Daniel. I did forget how he looked, that he didn't have any hair before. When we see him every 4 or 5 months here.
Yep.
Yeah, and it's like get used to it, seeing him just like with hair.
He's thinned a little bit more. He and I were talking about maybe adding a little hair to him after the summer.
Yeah, he did not do much cleaning though.
Yeah, this time we're going to be a little more uptight about it.
Yeah.
So in summary, number one,
happy.
People forget what they look like, and that includes us forgetting what the patients look like before. That's why he takes the doggone many pictures here. Second, he got a nice natural result and is happy about it 5 years out. And third, we're always happy to see people back.
Yes.
Anything you want to add? We're good.
You're good.
Okay. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.